Hi everyone, thank you for checking out this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about Flexbox and how you can use Flexbox in Wix Studio to create amazing layouts. My name is Ashok, I'm a Webflow and Wix Studio certified developer. I specialize in creating high quality website templates. Do check out on my website. So now let's dive into the video. Okay, so I'm in my Wix Studio project now. To add a Flexbox, just click here on the add elements. Inside add elements, click on these layout tools and click on this Flexbox advanced, right? It says Flexbox. This is like vertical, this is like column and like collage kind of flex boxes, right? So let's look at them. Let me put this on my canvas. I'll just drag and drop on my canvas. So now look at how many options do you have. You have columns, you have mosaic, you have bricks, you have slider. If you want to use that slider, or if you want it for slides, if you want to create any slides, you can also create slides with it, right? So you can play with these options to use with it. The use of Flexbox is like creating layouts inside your containers. Like let's say if you want to create any layout which has two columns, right, which has two columns. In the right hand side column you want an image, and on the left hand side column you want content, right? So let's do that. And I think that's the commonly used layout for hero sections. So I'll just click on these layers here and click on that Flexbox section. Inside that you have this Flexbox item. Now I'll turn it into a column, two columns right now. I'll increase the width to let's say 100%, but the max width should be 960 pixels, right? So that it does not stretch your layouts if your users are, let's say, in bigger sizes, right? Your layout stays the same. So now here I want to add a heading. Let's do that. A quick add. I want to add a title. This is my title now, and I also want here a button or a paragraph. Let's add a paragraph. Just added a paragraph here, and then I need a button as well, right? I'll add a button here. So at the end, I will, when we make it responsive, I'll use the row design here, right? So that it looks perfect on the responsive side also. So right now I'm just adding a content here to show you how the use cases of Flexbox in Wix Studio. Now you have the image here. Now let's stretch that image and make these Flexbox like the main Flexbox to minimum width, let's say 450, just for a demo purpose. I'm using that, and I'm not focusing on design area here right now, but let's them do this. Okay, so I have title, I have paragraph, and I have a button. So what I'll do, I'll just stack them up here. So if you have not watched my stack video here, how to use stack in Wix Studio, you can check out that video for more detail. Here I'm just going to use it, and I'll add some spacing between those items. I'll make it 16 pixels equally, and I'll make it that, and let's make it 60% for now, or 80. I guess 80 is fine. Yeah, so 80%, and you have your layout ready. I'll just change its color to white, the background color, to make it look nicer, and this button to be smaller in width, right? So this is your layout. So this is your Flexbox layout, two column layout. This you can use it for your for let's say you want to show some icons, logo, client logos. You want this for your hero sections. You can use this. If you don't want to use section grids or containers to create CSS grids, you can use this Flexbox easily to create amazing layouts. So now what options do we have here? If I click here on this Flexbox main item Flexbox, and if we scroll down a bit, you see this, you have display type. Right now it's column, but you can make it row also. If you, it's up to you. If you want item proportion equalize, if you want to equalize all the items, these items that you have, which is containing your your design elements, let's say headings, paragraphs, or the images, right? And the space between these two items, let's say right now I want the space between two items is 40 pixels. It's done, right? It's static right now, means it won't change if I squeeze or the increase the width of my browser. And now we have our Flexbox ready. Now let's make it responsive. Let's see how it looks on the tablet. I think it looks perfect on the tablet. I'll just decrease the height here. Let's make it 400, right? I think it looks perfect here. For this one, you have to check out in your style panel. You have to check out this typography, because right now it's scaled, right? If I just select that and I just remove this one from here, then just check this out. Now it won't scale. You will have to increase the width and the height of your particular button, because its scale size proportionally is still there, right? That's why it happened. So now let's focus here. Okay, I think it's fine. So on tablet it works totally good, and on the mobile I don't like it. So what I'll do, I'll switch it to the rows. Right now it's column. From here also you can switch it. Right now I'll use this and I'll make it like for a row. So now you have your layout ready. Look at this. The minimum height for your element is 400. Now it's your image. You can change the height of your image from here. Select the item and then go here and let's say make it 250. And the gap between image and the content is very short now, so let's make it 24. So now I think it looks fine to me. So this is how you can make amazing responsive layouts using Flexbox in Wix Studio. All right, so let's let's look at this one for now, and let's make it 90%. Now look at this. This is your responsive layout. If I go to tablet, if I go to desktop, yeah. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more. If you need any help, do reach out to me or check out my website for more free resources that you can use in your upcoming projects. Until next time, happy creating.